Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a masterpiece of innovation, blending luxury, performance, and futuristic design into one incredible vehicle. From the outside, it carries the signature Mercedes elegance, with sleek aerodynamic lines, bold LED lighting, and a modern grille that sets the tone for sophistication on the road. The design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for better fuel efficiency, smoother handling, and stability, even on long highway drives. Step inside, and you immediately feel like you're entering a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior is designed with premium materials, ambient lighting, and spacious seating that can easily convert into comfortable sleeping arrangements. Mercedes has integrated cutting-edge technology, including a smart infotainment system, AI-driven voice controls, and advanced climate management that keeps the cabin perfect in any weather. The panoramic windows and skylights flood the space with natural light, giving you a sense of openness wherever you travel. In terms of functionality, the motorhome offers a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a luxurious bathroom with a rainfall shower, and clever storage solutions throughout. The attention to detail makes long trips not just manageable but truly enjoyable. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome comes with a powerful yet efficient hybrid engine, ensuring both strength on the road and eco-friendly travel. Advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping technology, and 360-degree cameras make driving this large vehicle surprisingly easy and safe. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is more than just a travel vehicle, it's a statement of luxury and freedom. Perfect for families, adventurers, or anyone who wants to combine comfort with exploration, it redefines what a motorhome can be in the modern era. Would you like me to also create a full YouTube SEO package for this review video? Title, description, tags, and hashtags. To maximize reach, enjoy your journey and like, subscribe and click on the bell icon.